For those looking for business idea, uh, go with the season. Like right now, it's a cold season, meaning warm clothes will sell. Things like jacket, fur trousers, jeans trousers that has furs inside. Most of women loves them. So warm clothes will sell. And as Lilian Smart Collection, I'm here to tell you that we make your life easier. For those who cannot afford a bill, I sell clothes at a wholesale price in pieces. I open a bill, then sell into pieces. Like the blazer I'm putting on right now, it goes for 200 shillings from 10 pieces, and you can resell it at 400 to 600, depending on mahali huko. So I do delivery countrywide at a fee. But I'm based in Embakasi kwa Ndege, just opposite SDA Church, Oro Police Station. Ukifika hapo nitakuchukua tu. So meaning if you have 2000, you can get this, or you can get this kind of jacket.